the biggest concern to me, yes, propaganda, information warfare, it's here, it's not going anywhere. What I look at, I mean, if we want to back up and use, of course, Russia's example in our last election, to me, the biggest question wasn't even, did the Russians hack our elections? The biggest question wasn't, what did Russia do on Facebook? I mean, those were all important questions. My question was, why were we so easily manipulated and so easily persuaded? Why was it so easy to get us? And there's lots of reasons, but since we are here talking about the future of media, I want to talk about the social media angle of that. And it's, listen, I get it, it's a country of free speech. Everybody has the right to say whatever they want, apparently. I have some thoughts on that, but anyway, so it's a country of free speech. But as they say often at the Center for Humane Tech, freedom of speech should not equal freedom of reach. And it is the fact that you have these platforms who are deciding what they will amplify, deciding how they will curate content, who have these algorithms who, I love how they love to say that algorithms are amoral or algorithms don't have politics. Algorithms are going to figure this all out for us so that human bias isn't put into news. Well, sometimes I actually want a little bit of human bias to actually look at something and make an assessment on it. These algorithms are 100% programmed to keep your eyes on their screen. It's all about user engagement. And so the most salacious content wins, the clickbait wins. It is whatever it is that is going to keep your eyes on that screen, and that is where it ends up breaking down our ability to reason. It's what breaks down our ability to decide what is fact, what is fiction. If I can give one quick little kind of meta example. Because what brought me into this space to begin with was the breakdown of our civil discourse and exploring why this is happening. Because I think the breakdown of civil discourse is one of the biggest existential threats to our democracy, and I've written enough about that. If you're bored, you can look that up later. But just a meta example, because good journalism can't win in this environment.